Hello friends, I am Naveen Kumar. Welcome to my channel of Amazon. Today I discuss you about best air conditioners under 40,000 rupees in India. Generally, India's climate is such that you need an AC for a minimum of 8 to 9 months a year. Maybe some people in the southern peninsula might use the appliance throughout the year. Hence, the air conditioner is a crucial member of your household. Every home in India has at least one AC in their bedrooms. The air conditioning appliances are available in a range of prices, depending on their features and the energy savings it does. The 5-star rated machines are comparatively expensive to the 4-star and 3-star products in the same model. This video concentrates on the best ACs available in India under 40,000 rupees. Before discussing the points to consider when purchasing an AC in this price bracket, here are some excellent models available on the Indian e-commerce market. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description, and if you buy from this link, the channel will help you. Number 5 on my list, best AC under 40,000. Hitachi 1.5 ton 5-star inverter split AC copper RSO 5G18 HDEA. Hitachi 1.5 ton AC units are ideal for rooms having an area between 120 to 150 square feet. This air conditioning appliance works on different technologies simultaneously to deliver high-quality cool air. The auto-coil dry technology delivers odor-free air, whereas the wave blade design ensures silent operation. The big flow deflector feature throws air all around the room, and the frost wash technology ensures you get fresh air to breathe. This machine features auto-filter cleaning technology to deliver clean air inside your rooms. The unique expandable inverter air conditioner expands its capacity in adverse temperature conditions to reduce humidity inside the room and achieve the set temperature faster. The stepless compressor control system checks the indoor and outdoor conditions to vary the compressor speeds seamlessly. This air conditioner comes equipped with Hitachi's intelligent Penta sensor technology to offer perfect cooling even in extreme summer conditions without compromising on the machine's critical components. It provides maximum cooling capacity even when the temperature outside reaches 43 degrees Celsius. This machine features inner grooved copper tubes to ensure quicker cooling because the turbulent refrigerant flow enhances the heat transfer rate. The tropical design mode ensures that the interiors are comfortable even when the summer temperature touches a sizzling 52 degrees Celsius. This AC does not need a stabilizer for support, as it can work comfortably in the input voltage range of 160 to 255 volts. Pros: noiseless performance in the silent mode, ISEER value 4.55, reliable Japanese technology, quick cooling even under adverse summer conditions. Cons: though the manufacturer advertises free installation, users have complained that the company demands service charges for the outer stand. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Number 4 on my list, Blue Star 1.5 ton 5-star inverter split AC IC518 DBTU 2020 model. Blue Star is a legendary AC manufacturer in India, with an excellent track record of manufacturing high-quality air conditioning appliances. For several decades, this 1.5 ton 5-star split AC is one of its extensive list of exquisite products on display. Every AC brand has something unique to offer. Blue Star offers a dual user setting preference facility where two users sitting in the same room can personalize settings according to their requirements and ensure the desired cooling. This AC works on a brushless DC motor, unlike the conventional engine. Thus, these appliances are extremely reliable and make less noise even when rotating at high speeds. Besides, this motor ensures the highest cooling levels, especially in summers when you need it the most. Blue Star ACs offer precision cooling technology. It works by varying the operating frequency and ensuring precise control, plus or minus 0.5 degrees Celsius, to prevent any indoor temperature fluctuation. The Fuzzy Logic feature senses the climate outside and instantly sets the ideal temperature to provide adequate climate control and excellent cooling while consuming the least energy. The Blue Star AC remote comes equipped with iFeel technology, a sensor that ensures you get the desired comfort around you when you use the AC. The Blue Star AC is renowned for its powerful mode that throws out cool air in all directions to cool down every nook and corner of your room. You can rely on this machine to diagnose its faults, if any, and display it on the temperature display option. It helps you communicate with the service team and get the matter rectified in the quickest possible time. Blue Star ACs are always one of the most attractive appliances around. The aesthetically designed AC features a hidden light-up display that looks heavenly at night and adds to your home's stunning ambience. Pros: expect the least temperature fluctuations on this AC. ISEER value of 4.53. Powerful performance on the cooling and energy saving fronts. The self-diagnosis feature is an absolute bonus. Cons: it does not support Wi-Fi and voice assistance. The absence of a horizontal swing affects the airflow. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Number 3 on my list, Whirlpool 1.5 ton 5-star inverter split AC Magicool Pro 5S. Whirlpool 1.5 ton 5-star AC offers one of the highest ISEER values in the market, at 4.75. Thus, you can expect turbo cooling and excellent savings by way of reduced power consumption. One of the best qualities of this Whirlpool AC is the stringent quality checks it passes through. This machine can cool your room even if the ambient temperature outside is as high and improbable as 55 degrees Celsius. It indicates the compressor's power and technology involved in its manufacture. This AC works on a unique sixth sense fast cool technology that ensures uniform and instant cooling when you switch on the AC. The IntelliSense inverter technology adapts to your cooling needs while reducing power consumption and electricity usage. The MPFI technology employs a 4x4 evaporator circuit designed to ensure rapid heat exchange and provide instant cooling. It is an ideal AC to have in your bedrooms. The sleep function enables you to control the timing and temperature setting to adjust automatically to ensure pleasant sleeping conditions. Whirlpool ACs use R32 refrigerant, one of the best available today. It has the lowest global warming potential as compared to its immediate peers. It exhibits zero ozone depletion potential, besides emitting fewer greenhouse gases. R32 requires less refrigerant volume to operate. Hence, it is one of the safest coolants to use. Diagnosing problems with the AC is no longer an issue as the self-diagnosis feature interprets the error and reports it to the service engineers to take immediate remedial action. This AC does not need an external stabilizer, because it can work in an extended input voltage range of 145 volts to 290 volts. The AC stops functioning if the input voltage is outside this range. Pros: excellent performance on the power savings front. ISEER value 4.75. Environmentally friendly refrigerant, high quality inverter compressor that delivers outstanding cooling performance. Cons: the company can improve its customer service. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Number 2 on my list, Voltas 1.4 ton 5-star inverter adjustable split AC. Along with excellent cooling, Voltas offers the advantage of its brand name. This company has been manufacturing these appliances for more than 6 decades. It reflects in the quality of air conditioners they manage to churn out from time to time. The unique aspect of this Voltas adjustable split AC is that it can function at different tonnage levels depending on the requirements. It can serve as a 1 ton and 1.4 ton AC based on the temperature levels and the number of people in the room. Hence, it provides the proper comfort levels while saving on your electric bills. The 4-speed fan function is an improvement on what many other models in its niche offer. It ensures superior comfort and convenience to meet your various requirements. The outstanding aspect of this AC is the high ambient cooling it provides even when the external temperature reaches an improbable 52 degrees Celsius. This superior cooling capacity endears this appliance to all. This appliance features a unique mode, the super dry mode, that dehumidifies the room quickly while limiting the indoor fan blower at low speeds. Thus, it enables quicker evaporation of water vapor from inside the room, making it a good AC to have in the monsoon season. With the Voltas AC sweating it out for you in extreme conditions, you experience high comfort and convenience. This AC can operate at input voltages ranging between 100 and 290 volts without using an external voltage stabilizer. This AC can start even when the input voltage is as low as 100 volts. Pros: suitable appliance for rooms under 150 square feet in area. It lives up to its brand reputation. Convenient machine to have in the all seasons. Cons: installation charges are extra if you want to buy the Amazon link given in description. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Number 1 on my list, LG 1.5 ton 5-star inverter split AC copper MSQ18YNZA. LG air conditioners feature dual inverter compressor to deliver maximum cooling and efficiency. This unique inverter comes equipped with a varied speed dual rotary motor that has a wider rotational frequency. Thus, it saves more energy even at a higher speed cooling range than conventional compressors. It also ensures that these ACs cool faster, run quieter, and last longer. The 5-in-1 convertible cooling feature cools the air as per our requirements. The inverter compressor works at different capacities to provide the cooling we need. This AC unit does not require a stabilizer as it can work in an extended voltage range of 120 to 290 volts. The high-grooved copper tubing enables oscillatory movement to agitate the refrigerant for better heat dissipation. This AC features ocean black film protection against humidity, dust, sand, smoke, and chemicals present in the environment. The ocean black protection layer over the evaporator and the heat exchanger offers better protection than conventional AC coating. As it is anti-corrosive, this AC unit is a durable one. If you want instant cooling, this AC provides it because it works on Himalaya Cool Technology. To cool the air in the room instantly. It also comes with Monsoon Comfort technology to control the room temperature, air movement, and humidity inside the room to provide greater comfort. It also saves you valuable power. The low gas detection feature is unique to this air conditioner. This appliance features a smart diagnosis system to troubleshoot the machine's problems from your smartphone. The unique feature is the horizontal and vertical swing action that ensures better airflow while delivering uniform cooling. Pros: it maintains the brand reputation. ICER value 4.73, excellent performance and power savings. A range of attractive, user-friendly features. Cons: slightly expensive than its peers, no HEPA or PM2.5 filter. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.